In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bank account on Wise. By the end, you'll have your bank connected so you can move money more easily and use Wise's payment features without re-entering details every time. Start by picking up your phone and opening the Wise app. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date so all the latest options appear as they should. From the home screen, look to the top left and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your account area where you control settings and how you pay. Scroll down until you see Payment Methods and tap it. This section manages how you fund transfers and which accounts are linked. Next, choose Connected Bank Accounts. This is where any banks you've already added will show up and where you'll add new ones. Tap Connect Bank Account. Wise will now ask you to select the bank account location. Choose the country where your bank account is held, since this determines the correct connection method and the list of banks available. For example, if your account is in the United Kingdom, select United Kingdom. After picking the location, tap Connect to proceed. You'll now see a list of banks that Wise can connect to in that region. Find and select your bank. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to type the bank's name and make sure you pick the exact match. When you're ready, tap Continue. At this point, Wise may securely redirect you to your bank or prompt you to verify your identity through your banking app. This is normal and ensures your account stays protected. Follow any on-screen instructions from your bank, such as confirming the connection or approving access. Wise never sees your banking password. Authentication happens with your bank directly. Once the connection completes, you'll then be brought back to Wise and your bank should appear under Connected Bank Accounts. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. From now on, you can select this bank when you're setting up a transfer or payment inside Wise. A few quick tips if you run into issues: double check that the name on your bank account matches the name on your Wise profile, keep a stable internet connection, and temporarily disable VPNs that might block your bank's security checks. Having your mobile banking app installed and logged in can also make the process smoother. If the connection fails, repeat the steps or try again later, as some banks have occasional maintenance windows. That's it, your bank is now linked on Wise and ready to use.